Here we have a selection of 4 bob wigs from the Rene of Paris collection. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can also find us on Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest, so hopefully we'll see you there. We'd love to have you follow us on our YouTube channel, so make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you'd like to keep up to date with what's going on here at Valentine Wigs, then make sure to hit the notification bell. If you liked our video, please click on the thumb below. Tell us what you think in the comments below, and let us know any requests for future videos. Don't forget to subscribe.